Oh, we got a spin. We got a spin. And we just changed drivers between Walter Thompson and Perry Marshall. And we're down to 176 laps to go. We're almost 3/3. And let's look at our top 5 teams. Rolling Rocks in the lead, Sassy, then M&M's Racing, Flying Rocket, and B200. Top 5. I think we're back on the lead lap. This is going to be very interesting, everyone. So Perry Marshall is in the lead. There's our team trying to catch the 3rd place leader. We're kind of like a half a lap behind. Alright, let's get down to the order. There's first, Perry Marshall. There's Sassy, I think he's second. There's third. There's fourth. Alright, we got a battle for third between the M&M's Racing versus our team, Flying Rocket. Currently flying. So we're currently almost at the halfway, well, we're over halfway. This is currently a battle for third. Oh, stay in there, stay in there. Oh, there you go, there you go. Yes. We're currently in 3rd place. We just passed Austin, the M&M's current driver. All we need to do is get the 21. He's running in 2nd, Sassy. And we're still a half a lap behind Perry Marshall. There's Perry Marshall on the Monster Energy curve right now. Sassy's currently right behind them very closely. So we could have a battle for the lead. And there's our team about 7 seconds behind. Six. Close. It's still anybody's race. But we don't know what's going to happen. All right, go on the inside. Go on the inside. Yes, yes, yes. There you go. Oh, Sassy's going to take over the lead. He's on the inside. He passes Perry Marshall. We have a new leader. But Perry Marshall's coming back. It's the 21. We have a new leader. And we just have a red once more. Hey, what do you think of the race so far? We're on current lap of 234. We just saw it up there on that screen. Alright, one more for the top 5. On July 19th, 2025, Sassy's just got in the lead. Then it's Rolling Rock second, Flying Rocket third, M&M's Racing fourth, and B200 fifth. 16 teams, over 50 competitors. This is still one exciting 4th of July, late 4th of July race. The 21 is easily pulling away. He's got about at least a second lead. Oh, don't block us. Well, this is Nick DeLuna here. Hope you please subscribe me, get at least a thumbs up, leave down some comments, support this channel, and we're going to still current stay here. So we're going to figure out what's going to happen for the last bit of the 116 laps.